In the previous module, we discussed how to bring the task into the experiences of our students. And in this module, we'll look at how we can ensure that the learners have the experience to do a task. We'll look at some of the important elements and techniques. Right. In teaching, writing through task-based language teaching requires making tasks relatable to the learners and to provide them experience to do the task actually. For example, we can give them physical experience of, I can give example of that we can take our students to a fire station, and then they just, when they come back to the classroom, we can ask them to write something about their trip to the fire station. And in this regard, students actually are aware of the nature of the task and the language they need to do that task actually. And then the role of the teacher is to help guide the students in terms of organizing, planning, drafting, revising, and writing the task overall. So in this regard, it's important that when the student have finished their trip to the fire station and when they're back to school or to their classroom, they actually have necessary vocabulary and linguistic items to do the task. And how we can develop? Well, it's through brainstorming and oral discussion. Right. Using already experience for teaching writing has its own implications. Because maybe the student might have forgot, maybe they had the experience in their first language, and maybe they didn't have too much exposure in the second language. So there are some ways we can develop, we can make tasks relatable to the students. And one of the elements is to do pre-teaching. I mean, while having oral discussion in the classroom, the teacher can continue to write important words on the blackboard, and then the student pay attention to those words, and then they use those words and grammatical choices or word chains in their writing. Right. Then there are various ways of making the task easier for the student. We can expose them to read simplified texts and then write about their experience of reading text. And then we can expose them to read some material which is properly graded. And then we can ask them to write about their experience of reading that book or text, right? So there are various ways. For example, they can be asked to write something based on their experiences in their first language. For example, in our language teaching context, we can teach writing to our students, and we can ask them to write something about their childhood experiences. And of course, they had their childhood experience in their first language, which is Urdu, and then they can be asked to write in their second language. Then brainstorming is important, as we have discussed this in the previous module. Field trips, occasional field trips, and then coming back to the classroom and asking students to write about their direct experience of the fields. So there are various ways. And there are various tasks which we can ask our student draw a picture and write about the picture. We can ask them to produce, listen to a tape or read a text, or and then write about that. We can ask them to do partial writing, or we can ask them to write sentences, 10 sentences, correct sentences, perfect sentences. And look, writing 10 perfect sentences may be seen as a process. And then we can ask them to set up their own questions and then write about their the answers of those questions. So drawing learners having experience of tasks is important in terms of making them aware of the significance of field trips and the vocabulary used in the field trips, and how to make the use of that vocabulary for writing purposes.